G'day YouTube. This is how you feed animals and spread grass seed. All you have to do is put a hay bale, plonk it on some bare ground. In this case it's the wall of a pond or dam, and basically the animals get their feed and they'll spread all that grass seed for you. This one here with the horns is a Wagyu, but most of the others are pure Angus. Everyone's very happy. We've had 3 months of drought, and in the last 2 days it's finally rained heaps, so it's probably the best time to seed the grass. I'm going to remove that hay bale twine down there before they start eating it though. Okay, till next time.